Welcome, friends, to your favorite YouTube channel. Gardening is my love. Today I am back with another plant, Doddapatri, Sambrani, Sambarballi in Kannada. In India, this tender fleshy plant is known in various names: Ajwain, Pattarchur in Hindi, Vovapan in Marathi, Panikurka in Malayalam, Omavalli or Karpurvalli in Tamil, Vamu in Telugu, Pashanabedi in Sanskrit. It grows quickly, requires little water, and can grow in any type of weather. I too have many plants in my balcony garden. This plant is cultivated and used in many houses all over India. Botanical name is Plectranthus amboinicus. It's also known as Indian borage or Mexican mint. The leaves have many traditional medicinal uses, especially in the treatment of cough, sore throat, nasal congestion, etc. Now let me come to the uses of this plant. In traditional dishes, it is used. Doddapatre Ellu sweet chutney, Doddapatre bhajis can be prepared. Ajwain leaf bhajis are very famous. Doddapatre onion chutney you can prepare. Indian borage tambuli you can prepare, very famous. Doddapatre rasam is very unique. Doddapatre tambuli, Doddapatre hasi tambuli you can prepare. Doddapatre chutney you can prepare. Now, finally, let me come to the health benefits of Indian borage. This plant is very famous in India for all its medicinal uses. Those who suffer from respiratory issues, if you are suffering from cold, sore throat, congestion, stuffy nose, painful sinuses, this plant is an excellent remedy. It clears your mucus from the respiratory tracts and keep your nose very clear. Number 2, skin health. One of the most popular uses of Indian borage is an excellent skin treatment. From bug bites, stings, eczema and other problems, you can quickly reduce redness and swelling by using the leaves of Indian borage. The third important medical use is it contains omega-6 content. It helps in reducing arthritis. So those who suffer from arthritis, this is an excellent remedy. So it's a storehouse of vitamin C and vitamin A. The high content of ascorbic acid found in this herb make it an important immunity system booster. Those who suffer from corona in this pandemic season, Indian borage is an excellent remedy to boost your immunity. Next, it helps in preventing cancer. Indian borage has an excellent capacity to control cancer. Next, those who suffer from stress and anxiety, you can use the tea or the decoction made from this plant to relieve from all types of stress and anxiety and have restful sleep. It improves your kidney health. Indian borage acts as a very effective diuretic, which means it can clean up the body of toxins by stimulating urination. It also reduces excess amount of salt, fat and water from your body, keeps your system clean. It is an excellent fever reducer. Those who suffer from cold or flu, one of the symptoms of fever, this is an excellent remedy. Next, irritable bowel syndrome. So those who have irritable bowels, brewing the tea from the plant can clear your bowel and regulate digestion. And finally, there is a bit of warning. The leaves and stems may cause mild dermatitis to people with the sensitive skin. So those who are allergic to Indian borage should avoid it. Due to its potent mixture of compound and chemicals, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers also should not use this herb. And also those who suffer from kidney related ailments, please keep this plant away from you. And finally, disclaimer, please take medical practitioner's advice before using the plant. One plant with the hundreds of benefits. So you can use from kitchen to lot of ailments. So thank you for watching. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.